Yeah, turn that beat up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Turn it up. Not too high. Not too high. Not too high. Here we go. Here we go. All right. Check it. Look, I'm in the black neighborhood on Facebook, trying to get put on. I know my verse. I want my voice to be heard. It's crazy out here. People died every day. South side, west side, north side, east side. It's all over, man. I just want to be heard before I go. That's all I want. I want somebody to push me, motivate me, teach me. I can't do it on my own. I can try, but I don't know if I can be that successful. So I need help. I want to put myself out there. I want to. I want to be known. Period. Ain't nothing else to do. I done accomplished everything else. I sustain. I ain't got rich or I'm not known. Not yet though. Soon will be. Soon as the right person hear this, you know? That's all I want. I don't want to wild out like that. You know, I want to, go to the club, have fun, get a drink or two, laugh, kick, But besides that, I'm a real cool, laid back nigga, straight up. Real funny, real cool to be around, Everybody love me in my neighborhood, in other neighborhoods, But, I'm putting it out there though, I want to be known, so, you know who you are, hit my page up, You'll find other information to get in contact with me there. So, I'm out.